Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis car Kustoms home to the matching black cats, except for the white toes. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for sticking with me, all my long haulers and Nomad warriors all across the world. Anyways, when last we met, we were working on upholstery. Probably not everybody's favorite subject, but it's good to know, I guess. Because like I said, if you have the upholstery made for you, one, you're going to pay out the nose for it, and two, you're going to wait forever for it. And it's kind of fun to try stuff that you don't normally do, you know. I obviously haven't done a lot of upholstering in my life, so it's kind of neat to learn something new, you know, and try to get better at it as I go. But I am actively looking for a side project, like I've been saying for a while. I want to pick up something, I don't know what. I got my eyes on a couple of things, but pick up something that when business gets slow on this, I can dub around on something else, and whatever I get, I want to be able to sell it when I'm done with it, because I've got so many vehicles that I want to do, but I have an emotional attachment to them, so it's like, if I do them, they're not going anywhere, and it'd just be more money out of my pocket and no money coming into my pocket. But if I pick up something that, with the intention of making it nice and selling it for a little profit at the end, that might be the way to go. And it might also help me to come up with new and more interesting content when things get slow around here. So wish me luck on that one. But today we're gonna start stitching together all those pieces we made in the last episode, and hopefully start making them look like a seat. Thanks for coming. Just a refresher, in case you didn't watch the last episode, or in case you're new here, this is where we left off. We had all our pieces pre-cut and ready to start stitching them into something that hopefully won't look like a train wreck, but you and me will find out together.
don't wanna know where we'll go until we're there. As long as you're mine, everything will be fine. Baby, I don't care. I'm feeling that we drive into the morning light and inside with love on our side. It'll be alright. Love on our side. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. It'll be alright.
I think my buddy's trying to learn how to do upholstery. He's been keeping an eye on me. So we got some of our pieces put together. Got silver piping sewed onto the blue. So now we're looking to attach our blue pieces to our white pieces. And that's the top side of it. You'll see that silver pipe in there. So slow and slow is what I do when I'm sewing these things. I don't get in too big of a hurry and just creep along, taking the, hey buddy, taking the clips out as you go and kind of pulling it taut to keep it from wrinkling on you. But we'll see how this goes. Well, we've got all the pieces to this part of the puzzle assembled. It'll look better, I think, once it's stretched taut over the seat. I've had people ask in the comments back when I did the upholstery before, what I was using for a machine. That's what I'm using, a Singer Heavy Duty. It sews this stuff pretty good. It wasn't super expensive. But yeah, now it's on to figuring out the next part of this puzzle. These are the side pieces. This is for the left side. And this was the piping that was on the old seat. So you can see, Buddy's breaking up housekeeping over there. You can see how it has to curl around and goes down here and then curls around at the bottom. So probably what I'm going to do is cut the white piping and attach it to these side pieces there, so I've got my curve, and then try to attach the side piece to here. And like I said, this will have to curl around, you know, going around that, because this whole back part here curls over the seat and then staples to the back. So, and then the bottom here, we'll have to make a piece, and that'll curl under and staple to the back. But this is where it starts to get three-dimensional, when you have to put these pieces on that go around the sides. But that's the next step. Well, before I get too long in the tooth, I'll call this one an episode. I like to keep them short and sweet. I've had people sometimes say, "Hey, your show's not long enough," and then other people are like, "It's just perfect the way it is." I like to keep them, you know, somewhere around 20 minutes ish. I figure that's today's attention span. But I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me. Hopefully you're learning as much about upholstery as I am as I go. It's something that, you know, it can be scary, I guess, you know, because it's pretty easy to screw it up. I won't say that this one isn't screwed up yet, because it's not done. Hopefully when it's done, it's not screwed up. But nothing ventured, nothing gained, you know. If you can just do it and cross your fingers that everything comes out alright. I mean, it's not the end of the world if you got to do something over, or, you know, it's all a learning process. It'd be one thing, I guess, if I was making upholstery for other people, but the only person I really need to please is myself. So, so far I'm pleased. But, are you turning your back on them? They're over here. They're over here, look. But, yeah, thanks for visiting with me, and hope you come back next time. Take care, everybody.